Before instant messages crossed continents in seconds. Before emails replaced handwritten correspondence. Before smartphones carried entire conversations in a pocket. Important messages arrived in envelopes. Simple objects, folded paper, a sealed flap, a promise that something meaningful waited inside. For centuries, envelopes represented communication, anticipation, and significance. They carried invitations, business agreements, love letters, official documents, news that could change lives. Few everyday objects possessed such symbolic power. Eventually, fashion noticed. Designers transformed the familiar shape of the envelope into something entirely different. Not a communication tool, a fashion accessory. The result became one of the most elegant and enduring handbag designs ever created. The envelope clutch. Today, the envelope clutch appears remarkably modern. Its clean lines, its geometric silhouette, its understated elegance, everything about it feels contemporary. Yet its success is rooted in ideas far older than modern fashion itself. Ideas about simplicity, order, status, and the relationship between form and meaning. At first glance, the design seems almost effortless. A rectangular body, a folded flap, minimal decoration, no unnecessary complexity. The shape feels natural, obvious, as though it always existed. But design history teaches an important lesson. Creating something simple is often far more difficult than creating something complex. Complexity hides mistakes. Simplicity exposes them. The envelope clutch survives because its proportions work. Its balance works. Its visual language works. The origins of clutch-style bags stretch back long before the envelope silhouette emerged. For centuries, people carried small purses and decorative containers for personal belongings. Coins, handkerchiefs, calling cards, jewelry, essential items. As fashion evolved, these accessories became increasingly sophisticated. Formal social events encouraged elegance. Small bags offered practicality without disrupting carefully designed outfits. The clutch emerged naturally from this environment. The envelope clutch refined the concept further. Psychology helps explain why the design became so influential. Human beings respond strongly to order, symmetry, clean lines, recognizable forms. The envelope shape possesses all these qualities. Most people encounter envelopes throughout their lives. The form feels familiar, trustworthy, understandable. When incorporated into fashion, these associations remain surprisingly powerful. The design communicates organization and sophistication simultaneously. Recognition creates comfort. The envelope clutch benefits from that recognition. The relationship between minimalism and luxury deserves attention. Many people assume luxury requires excess. History often suggests the opposite. Some of the most prestigious objects ever created emphasize restraint. Luxury frequently emerges through precision rather than abundance. The envelope clutch embodies this philosophy. Every line matters. Every proportion matters. Every material choice matters. Nothing exists accidentally. The accessory achieves elegance through discipline. That discipline contributes significantly to its appeal. Craftsmanship remains central to its identity. Although the silhouette appears simple, execution requires considerable skill. Leather must be cut accurately. Edges must align perfectly. Flaps must close cleanly. Materials must maintain structure without appearing rigid. The finest examples reveal extraordinary attention to detail. A poorly made envelope clutch appears ordinary. A well-made one appears timeless. The difference often lies in craftsmanship invisible to casual observers. Materials influence perception dramatically. Luxury leather, fine suede, silk, satin, exotic textures, premium hardware. Each element contributes to the experience. The envelope clutch frequently serves as a canvas for material excellence. Because the design itself remains restrained, materials receive greater attention. The accessory allows quality to speak for itself. Fashion history repeatedly rewards this approach. The rise of Hollywood accelerated the popularity of clutch bags. Film stars became global style icons. Photographs circulated internationally. Audiences studied clothing choices carefully. Elegant evening wear frequently included small clutches. The envelope clutch fit perfectly within this environment. Its refined shape complemented formal attire. Its visual simplicity photographed beautifully. Its associations with sophistication strengthened. Cinema transformed many fashion items into cultural symbols. The envelope clutch became one of them. Red carpet culture expanded these associations further. Public events increasingly emphasized presentation. Celebrities appeared before cameras wearing carefully curated outfits. Accessories became crucial. Every detail mattered. The envelope clutch offered elegance without distraction. It supported the overall look rather than competing with it. Designers appreciated this balance. Consumers did too. Luxury fashion houses eventually embraced the envelope clutch as a signature category. The design offered flexibility. Classic versions emphasized minimalism. Decorative versions incorporated embellishments. Experimental versions explored unusual materials. yet the defining flap remained. The silhouette remained recognizable. The core identity endured. Few accessory designs demonstrate such adaptability. The envelope clutch succeeded because it balanced consistency with evolution. The 20th century witnessed countless fashion trends. Many disappeared quickly. The envelope clutch survived them all. Art Deco, mid-century glamour, modernism, minimalism, contemporary luxury. The accessory adapted repeatedly. Each generation reinterpreted it, yet none fundamentally altered its essence. This durability suggests the design satisfies deeper aesthetic preferences. Some forms simply work. The envelope clutch appears to be one of them. Modern life presents new challenges for traditional accessories. People carry more items than previous generations. Phones, chargers, cards, keys. Technology influences daily routines. Large bags often provide greater practicality. Yet the envelope clutch remains popular. Why? Because practicality alone rarely determines fashion. People continue attending weddings, formal dinners, award ceremonies, celebrations, luxury events. These occasions encourage elegance. The envelope clutch remains exceptionally good at communicating elegance. Its relevance therefore persists. The design also reflects broader cultural appreciation for minimalism. Contemporary consumers often value clarity, simplicity, intentionality. The envelope clutch aligns naturally with these preferences. Its clean silhouette feels modern regardless of era. That quality helps explain its remarkable longevity. Many accessories reveal the period that created them. The envelope clutch often feels timeless. Perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the design is its origin. Fashion drew inspiration from an ordinary object. An envelope, a tool of communication, a symbol of messages and meaning. The transformation illustrates how creativity operates. Designers observe familiar forms, then reimagine them. The result becomes something new. The envelope clutch stands as one of the most successful examples of this process. An everyday object elevated into an icon. And beneath the leather, beneath the stitching, beneath the fashion houses, red carpets, luxury boutiques, and decades of design evolution, the envelope clutch tells a larger story. A story about simplicity, about elegance, about humanity's ability to discover beauty in familiar forms. Because throughout history, great design has rarely depended upon complexity. Often, it depends upon seeing ordinary things differently. The envelope clutch became proof of that idea. A masterpiece of minimalism, a symbol of sophistication, a triumph of design, and one of the most enduring accessories in fashion history.